Rajav and today I am going to show you how to make a mobile stand on a 24-piece snake cube. So this model is quite similar to my walking legs that I taught here. So let's start by making an equal wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Rotate the 12th piece twice. I'll show it to you again. Hold a snake cube like this. I count 12 units and take the 12th unit and rotate it twice. So it should look like this now. Now take the second unit over here, from here, and take it far away from here. Same thing with this side. Take this piece far away from you. It's like this now. This is going to be the back side. Now let's make the support. So the support is like this. We had it like this. Now we rotate it 180 degrees. Take the triangle which is like this twice. We rotate it twice. I'll show it to you again. Take this triangle, rotate it twice. Here we have the support. Now we are almost done, and this step depends on the size of your mobile. Now turn it over. I recommend when you are putting it in a portrait position, I recommend you to put it like this. Rotate at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units for it. 5 units is very enough. And if you want to put it in landscape mode, put at least 3, and you are done. The size, the number of pieces rotated depends on the size of your mobile. So it can even be this much. It can even be this much. So friends, hope you are going to enjoy watching your videos using this mobile stand. I'll come up soon with more fun and interesting models. So to receive them, start now by clicking the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.